Hello and welcome to This Dot for We Cooking. Today I will be making red beans and rice with smoked turkey and beef smoked sausage. I'm going to tell you what all you're going to need. I'm your host Nette, and let's get started. Went grocery shopping today, so I got the small red beans, and this is 1 pound. Because I didn't have time to soak beans today. We wanted red beans and rice, some coconut milk, fresh thyme, half of a bell pepper, a medium and a small onion, 4 cloves of garlic, the smoked turkey. I got 1 smoked turkey leg and smoked sausage. And then I will show you the seasonings, dry seasonings that I would be putting in the beans. So let's get started. Okay. All right. So I washed my turkey part, rinsed them, washed them down like 3 times. Rinsed them like 3 times, filled it up, cleaned them off, and rinsed them, pour the water off, fill it up, pour the water off. And I filled it over the meat like maybe a half an inch over, a little bit more than a half inch, but not quite an inch over the meat. And I'm going to add a pack of Sazon. I'm going to add some chicken bouillon, chicken broth. I'm going to put my habanero pepper in. And I will be using nette seasoning, black pepper, some paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, and my fresh thyme. Okay, so I cut up all of my seasoning, my bell pepper, onion, and garlic, and that's gonna go in. And you're gonna boil the meat until it's tender. And you're gonna add all of your dry seasoning also. Okay, and I will be back. Okay, I am back. Now you want to take these red beans and you're going to drain them. And then you're going to add them. Add them to your pot. I want to get y'all a nice view of it. And I cook these beans for around, not beans, the meat, for around 50 minutes. It's looking good. All right. And now we're gonna do the smoked sausage. Oops. Get this over here. Gotta give it a little brown. smoked sausage. Stir that in. I'm gonna put the top on it and cook it probably for another 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn it down to medium heat and I will be back. Okay, everything's almost done. I always take out some beans and I use my smasher to smash the beans to make it thicker. If you like it thin, you don't have to smash your beans. So I just take a little bit out, smash them. They almost look like refried beans, and then I add them back. Just to thicken up everything a little bit. See how beautiful that looks. Good. Okay, so we'll put the top back on and let it stand for another 20 minutes. All right. All right, we are back. My Creole beans and rice with beef smoked sausage and smoked turkey leg. Very good. I removed the stems from the thyme out, and I removed the habanero. So look how good this look, y'all. This is so good. I'm gonna put some of that Belizean hot sauce on it. Taste a little bit. Got my glass of wine here. All right, let's give it a taste, y'all. This is so good. Let me get a piece of that turkey. Oh my God, this is good. You best to believe it. And a little red wine. Well, I'm glad that you could join me for this presentation of my Creole red beans and rice. I also use the dried beans, but when you want a quick meal, I was out grocery shopping, so I got the canned beans, and it's just as good. Just as good. Bon appetit. See you next time. All this food.